Okay, then here we go. This is the last question. I'm not sure what I did with it, but we'll find out. O is the center of this circle. A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D are points from the outside, and they kind of form a cyclic quad here. I can see that. They would. I can see all sorts of things in my first glance. A equaling D2. There's an angle at the center. I know how big that has to be up there, and things like that. BOD is 2x, so that tells me what A is. It tells me what D2 is, right? Because we've got all those reasons to be able to do that. Okay, let's see what I did. Oh, express the following in terms of x. What's B2? What's B2? Well, let's see what I did. You can do it in different ways, I'm sure, but let's see what I did. I've got that B2 is equal to D1. And that's because equal angles opposite equal radii. See those two radiuses there? They've got to be exactly the same. And if you add them up, B2 plus D1 has got to equal 180 minus 2x. And they have to be equal. So if these are both equal and they add up to 180 minus 2x, then B2 must be 90 minus 1x. Just divide it by 2. You can call D1 B2, 2B2 divided by 2. That's how big B2 is. It's 90 minus x. I guess that was a little bit tricky, but that's how I did it. Let's see. What about angle BCD in terms of x? BCD, this angle right here. Well, you know, I know that that's 360 minus 2x, and the angle at the center is twice the size of this angle. I bet you I used that. I don't know what I did. Let's see what I did. I did do that. BOD is 360 minus 2x. The angle at the circumference is half as big. So it's half of that. It's 180 degrees minus x. What about angle A? What about angle A? Well, let's see here. Well, we know a lot of other things here. We know A is equal to D2. We knew some things. Let's see how I did it. Getting at angle A, yeah. So we've got some angles in the same segment thing that tie it together with things in here. Do we have anything for D2? I don't think. Let's see how I did it. Oh, of course. It's so simple, it's ridiculous. Because it's the angle at the center is twice as big as this angle. Look, I was looking for all these things that were a little bit harder, and it was really easy. The angle at the circumference is half as big as this angle, and these things are really hard. I was looking for something hard when there was something simple to see. And that's the way it goes sometimes, at least for lots of people. Okay.